Hey everyone, so TikTok recently enabled new feature, which is a combination of these two most popular features. First one is Duet when you react to someone else's video, and another one is green screen when you use some background to create videos. So now there is a green screen Duet. To access it, tap on the share, tap on the Duet, tap on the layout here, and that feature should be rolled out here as the fourth option. So at the moment you have left and right, rack, top and bottom, and soon you should have something like green screen Duet. This feature is rolling out slowly to all users, so it should be available soon on your device. I just found it on the Crunch article. So yeah, as you can see, this is how it can look like. So green screen Duet. So yeah, again, if you just react into that video, instead of me being on the separate screen, I can use the video to which one I react just as a background. So that can be super fun. So definitely give it a try, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and see you in the next videos.